Hello friends, this video is about Glossier. It's a French company, online business. Most of the business are online. And I have 3 products from them. And then it's the lip gloss. The lip gloss called lip gloss. And then for the eyebrow, they have boybrow, and then mascara, which called lashslick. I have those 3 products from them. If you've never heard about Glossier, because it's very popular right now, everybody's buying them. I just wanted to buy it because I'm staying away from makeup, but I'm still tempted a little bit to not look too dry, so I wanted something very light and that's not very strong or very heavy. So I think Glossier is the best product to try, to still give you the natural look. The brand focus more on natural look. It's like it focus more on natural look. It's like wearing. It's like the skin first and then makeup second. So it's focused more on the natural look without giving you the heavy look. Like when you wear makeup, everyone says that you're wearing makeup. It's like letting your skin breathe, It's like telling you, it's like wearing, I would say, makeup with no makeup. Wearing makeup with no makeup, what would I say? Wearing makeup with no makeup, So, I think it's the best brand to try if you want to look natural. Because their products are very lightweight in makeup, So I will show you how the mascara, this one is my favorite. Show you. Right now I have nothing on, as you can see, my face is all dry. A lie, Mascara is everything to me, Even though I don't really like makeup, but I love wearing mascara because it just brightens my looks. They just make you feel like alive, So I'm obsessed. I can't say the word obsessed. I don't like the word obsessed, but I love mascara. This mascara is gonna be my favorite now. From now on, even though I won't wear makeup, but I would love to keep on buying this. And for the lip gloss, not too heavy. The wax is good, It's very, very thick, not too sticky, but thick. So it keeps your lips hydrated, My lips are always dry, especially in winter, worse. So the lip gloss is awesome, kind of too shiny for me, but the hydration is awesome. It will keep your lip moisture. And for the eyebrow, we have the boybrow. It's gonna be my products for now, my little makeup from them. I love them. They are awesome. The main focus of the product is to bring you the end of you, to make you look more natural, to make you feel more confident about yourself. So that's good for me because I like to be more natural. I like to be more natural. I like to feel natural. I'm all about natural. So I love this. You know, if you like to look natural, or if you don't like makeup, or you don't want to look too dry sometimes, you know, just try this product. You know, they have more products. They have a lot of skincare. They have a lot of foundations and so on. You know, I'm not too interested in those products. Maybe I'll try. I'm not sure because I want to stay away from makeup. It's not. I don't know. I just don't want to look. I won't say worldly, but I just want to be me and I want to represent me. I just want to be natural, you know? So I have no problem with people that wants to look like they, you know, that wants to have makeup or that wants to wear makeup. But for me, it's a no, you know? And then, I'm not saying never, but there'll be time I probably want to wear it if I go out. But even if I do, it will be something very light, very, very light. Or maybe it will be from the company or any other organic company. Because I like anything natural, natural food, everything natural. It's my best friend. So, enough about this. So, go try it, you know. You'll love it, you know, as you can see. You know, it makes a difference in my lashes, you know, and the gloss is really good. And then that's it, you know. Have a blessed day. May the most stylish and His grace upon you. I love you. Bye-bye.